Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great week of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about Netflix stock, ticker symbol NFLX, currently priced at $428 per share. Past year, up 20.94%. Past 5 years, up 382%. So definitely benefited from these times because people are trying to entertain themselves during stay-at-home order. Scrolling down a bit, market cap is $188 billion. P/E ratio is 87, and dividend yield is 0, which means they're reinvesting all profits back into growth. Scrolling down a bit, analyst ratings, 66% give it a buy rating, 22% give it a hold, and 12% give it a sell. Now, in terms of earnings, actual EPS was slightly lower than expected EPS, but you can see overall quarter to quarter, the earnings per share has been trending upwards, which is good to see. Now, taking a look at the letter to shareholders, overall tone of the first couple paragraphs were pretty negative due to recent circumstances, but they've definitely highlighted that they benefited from them being an internet business, being accessible to their viewers, and it's been helping the viewers during these times. And they created a $100 million fund to help hardship in the industry. So it's good to see that they're helping their workers and their production teams, which includes donating $30 million to third parties and nonprofits, and $1 million each to the SAG-AFTRA Foundation Fund. Scrolling down a bit. Let's see. Scrolling down a little bit more. All right, let's get to the financials. Overall, it's positive in that they had year-over-year growth. You could see that Q1 2020 up 27.6%, and the forecast for next quarter is 22.8%, which is solid growth, considering that a lot of companies are struggling during these times. Scrolling down a bit, taking a look at their global streaming paid memberships, year-over-year growth, you could see that Q1 20 is 22.8%, and Q2 forecast is 25.6%, so very solid quarter to year-over-year growth. And in terms of their results, it's higher than forecast. Revenue was in line with our guidance due to the appreciation in the US dollar, so they definitely benefited from the Forex exchange rate. There are three primary effects of the financial performance from the crisis. First, our membership growth has temporarily accelerated due to the home confinement. People have been using the product more because of these times. International revenue will be less than previously forecasted due to the dollar rising sharply. And third, due to production shutdown, they've been able to save some of their cash spending on the content because those will be delayed. And it definitely helps their free cash flow, and some title releases will be delayed. Scrolling down a bit. Taking a look at the content. They've been increasing their output of content even during these times, trying to produce high quality content. Let's see what they have. They have some media rights to some of the shows. They have Ozark Season 3, Tiger King, Love is Blind, Spencer Confidential, and Q2, they plan to have new shows like Space Force, which features Steve Carell. What else? Black AF, Michael Jordan documentary, Last Dance. It's a lot of high production shows and movies. So in terms of the product, they also rolled out top 10 most popular lists to nearly 100 countries after testing this feature. In each of these countries, there are now 3 daily lists, top 10 overall, top 10 series, and top 10 films. Goal is of this feature was to help members find great shows and films and enable them to be part of the cultural zeitgeist in their countries. So this will definitely help their viewers decide on what's popular, and it can help them view more shows. Now, in terms of cash flow and capital structure, like I mentioned before, their cash flow has been improved because they delayed some of the spending on the new content. So that definitely helps the operating margin and profits. So good to see them profitable during these times. That's all for this video. What are your thoughts on Netflix? Comment down below. I'm going to use my referral links below, and both of us get $20 for using personal capital or free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.